Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing is rolling out a new update for Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2a, which brings some exciting features. So in this video, let's talk about all the changes, what this new update brings on the table for Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2a. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have both the phones. Towards the left hand side, this is Nothing Phone 2, and towards the right hand side, this is Nothing Phone 2a. First of all, let me show you the software information. I have updated both the devices to the latest build, which is Nothing OS 2.6.0, or you can consider 2.6. Now both the devices have got the July security patch, and kudos to Nothing for providing security patches so fast. Build number for Nothing Phone 2a is 430, and for Nothing 2a it's 2308. I received the OTA update on both the devices. Let me show you the screenshot and the changes of the OTA update. Both the devices do have kind of similar change logs. Slight additional bug fixes have been done with Nothing Phone 2a. Talking about the update size, Nothing Phone 2 update size was 87 MB and Nothing Phone 2a update size was 160 MB. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now let's talk about the changes. So the first change is under the Wallpaper Studio. So if you go to customization section, tapping on more wallpapers, under Wallpaper Studio now we do have an option to delete the history of wallpapers which you have created. So for example, if you have created multiple wallpapers using AI, you tap on more section, and from here you can long press on the wallpaper. That will give you an option to delete photo. And towards the bottom side you can see the history stores a maximum of 99 recent generated images. So in total you can have 99 photos, and if you want to delete any one of them, you can just long press on it and you can delete the photo from the history. After that, they say they have enhanced the initial setup for the weather widget app now with user friendly prompt to add a specific city. Here you can see the screen recording which was done before and after updating the device. Nothing Phone 2a wasn't updated to the latest build when I recorded the screen, and I wasn't able to notice any kind of difference. So if you guys are aware what change or enhancement they have done, do let me know in the comment section below. After that, they have also added the support of CMS products battery level option in the quick setting tiles. So right now we don't have the CMF product, but in the quick setting tiles, if you connect your CMF product, for example CMF watch, you'll be able to see the battery level in the Bluetooth region. And later on some optimizations later to low lag mode experience for Nothing earbuds. So in such things brands do optimize, but it's hard to find out that difference. And after the major changes what they have done, and that's related to the gaming mode. Now we do have a new gaming dashboard. So here you can see if you open up any game, towards the left hand side, this is the new gaming dashboard which pops up. You do have two options to select here. One is the normal and the second one is performance mode. For the calls, you can select refuse all, open in pop-up view, open in full screen. For the notifications also, you can completely turn off or you can have the minimal display. Now we also have the option to lock the brightness. And now for the incoming calls, they have also added the option to reject the third-party calls during gameplay. I also noticed a bug after updating this device to latest build on Nothing Phone 2. While my device was connected to Bluetooth, the call announcement for a second came from the device main speaker, which should not happen generally. So might be a temporary bug, but if it occurs again, I'll keep you guys posted in the review video. And they have also added a quick option to call back if you are getting multiple calls when you are doing gaming and you have blocked all the calls. So here you can see a screenshot. This is how it will appear if you are gaming. So you do have a single click option to call back. So these are some of the new add-ons what they have done. I personally like the new implementation of gaming dashboard on Nothing phones, because previously we had that basic gaming dashboard which we used to see on Pixel smartphones. And after that, they have done some bug fixes related to voice and call recording in the WhatsApp application. I generally don't record calls, so I'm not sure about it. But if you guys used to record calls, you can check on your device whether this thing have been fixed or not. And later on some fixes related to where some apps could not use the clone features properly. So I only have one primary account and primary SIM card, so I don't use cloned application. That's the reason I'm not aware about it. Now talking about the changes on Nothing Phone 2a. So we do have the similar changes, but if you see here under new features and improvements, they haven't added the option to delete the history of AI generated wallpapers. Rest everything is same, but under bug fixes, they have fixed an issue causing atmospheric wallpaper effect to disappear in certain scenarios. Since I have updated this device, I'm using this atmosphere effect. Until now, it hasn't disappeared. So if you guys had this issue, this have also been taken care by Nothing. After that, Nothing says they have fixed an issue causing photos preview to display incorrectly when taken in landscape mode while the device was locked. So I did test out this before updating the device, and for me, there were no issues at all. Later on, they say they have improved the portrait mode in camera to avoid incorrection blurring, but still there are issues with the portrait mode. I did click some pictures after updating the device, and you can see the edge detection isn't that perfect. Sometimes it's perfect, and sometimes in complicated scenarios the edge detection is not at all good. Still, I can say Nothing Phone 2a camera is inconsistent, and during the cold start I also noticed the camera do lags a lot. It takes around 20 to 25 seconds to settle down, and after that preview is normal. So guys, these were all the changes what you guys will find it on the latest build for Nothing Phone 2 and Nothing Phone 2a. Previously I wasn't able to drop a full review video, but this time time, I'll start testing this device and you guys will see a review video within this week. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.